Tag here again. One of the questions that I'm asked most frequently on the channel is, can you check the AI score of my work on Turnitin, please? The answer is always no. I don't run a Turnitin checking service, though many unethical characters out there will charge you for this. Something they can do for free. Because the truth is this, you cannot get an individual license to Turnitin. Anyone that has access to Turnitin gets it in the same way, through their institution's license. If someone unconnected with an educational institution is offering you a Turnitin AI report, it may not be genuine. If it is genuine, it is being created for them by someone accessing Turnitin through an educational institution's license. Maybe you're like me and think it's unfair that students can't check their AI score. If you're watching this video, my guess is that you are. It isn't right that staff can see this score and students can't, especially as it may lead to markers having suspicions about submitted work. Normally when a student asks how they check their Turnitin AI score, I say, ask your lecturer or professor. If they have time, I'm sure they'd be happy to send you your Turnitin AI report. Or if you don't want to do that, use Quillbot's free AI detector. This will give you a pretty good idea of what your Turnitin AI score is likely to be. But is this true? Does Quillbot's free AI detector really provide results that are closest to Turnitin's? Or is it Reilaa, another free tool that subscribers to this channel frequently recommend to one another? Maybe instead of only recommending free AI detectors, I should recommend Ryne's AI detection report feature. I know that can provide good estimates of Turnitin's AI scores. Anyway, my friend, this video will definitively answer the question, which AI detector is most similar to Turnitin, by comparing its scores with those provided by Originality, Winston, Grammarly, Quillbot, Phrasely, Scribber, Sapling, CopyLeaks, Writer, GPTZero, Reilaa, and Ryne. But first, please like this video to help the channel out and show your interest in more videos like this. Subscribe with notifications on for more insights and information on issues relating to AI in higher education of interest to students and educators. And share this video or any other video on the channel with someone you think it could help or inform. This is the only channel on YouTube that you can trust for honest and credible information on AI and AI humanizers in higher education. Other channels don't have the expertise to understand what markers at universities are looking for in submissions, focusing instead on generating lazy AI slop for marketing. Like, why the heck does this channel care so much about Turnitin's AI scores? Their area of expertise is marketing slop and search engine optimization. Other channels can't access the Turnitin AI detector or are really just out to make money from students with their affiliate links and promotional videos. Some fit into all three shill categories. I don't operate like that, and I never will. Supporting this channel with your likes, shares, and subscribes will make sure that trustworthy and high-quality information helps more students. Now, on with the show. The first thing we're going to do is create some AI writing that we can test. Let's start by asking the free version of ChatGPT to write a 1,000-word essay on which AI detector is the most accurate and how students and educators are using AI detectors. We'll do this by using just a simple one-sentence prompt. Look at ChatGPT go. Then we'll use the free version of ChatGPT with a more complex 500-word prompt to write a research proposal type essay on which AI detectors students use and how valuable they regard them in the development of essays and assignments. It's going to be in UK English. Look at ChatGPT go again. Finally, we'll humanize the simple prompt version of the essay using Ryne, taking out some of the text, like this numbered list, that is unlikely to be flagged by Turnitin. This will be the version of the simple prompt essay that we test with the AI detectors. Ryne's in-house AI detector gives the humanized essay an 11% likely AI score. Let's test our three pieces of text with our AI detectors, starting with Turnitin. For the ChatGPT simple prompt version, 100% of the text is flagged as likely AI, every word in long-form prose. For the complex prompt version, 27% is flagged as likely AI. You can't trust AI detectors, but this lowish score is probably due to the use of UK English and the inclusion of numbered or bulleted lists, which Turnitin doesn't do well with. The Ryne humanized version of the simple prompt essay gets a 0% likely AI score with Turnitin. Typical with Ryne humanized text. With originality, the ChatGPT simple essay gets a 100% likely AI score with the light AI detector, and the same 100% likely AI score with the more sensitive turbo AI detector. With the complex prompt essay, 100% of the text is flagged as likely AI with the light AI detector, and the same number is flagged with the more sensitive turbo AI detector. With the Ryne humanized text, we get a 99% likely original score with the light detector, and a 70% likely original score with the turbo AI detector. With Winston, the simple prompt ChatGPT essay gives us a 66% likely human score. With the complex prompt essay, we get an even better 98% human score. With the humanized text, we get a 99% likely human score. Next, it's Grammarly. With the simple prompt essay, we get a 68% likely AI score. The complex prompt essay gets a 17% likely AI score, and the humanized version gets a 0% likely AI score. Quillbot's free AI detector gives the simple prompt version of the essay a 91% likely AI score. It gives the complex prompt essay a 71% likely AI score. The humanized essay gets a 0% likely AI score. With the Phrasely AI detector, the simple prompt essay gets a 47% likely AI score. The complex prompt essay gets a 54% likely AI score. The humanized text gets a 100% likely human score. With Scribr, the simple prompt essay gets a 100% likely AI score. The complex prompt essay gets an 81% likely AI score. The humanized text gets a 0% likely AI score. On to Sapling, where the simple prompt essay gets a 98.9% fake score. The complex prompt essay gets a 100% fake score, and the humanized text gets a 0.01% fake score, suggesting that it was written by a human. With CopyLeaks, the simple prompt essay gets a 100% likely AI score. The complex prompt essay gets a 99.5% likely AI score, and the humanized text gets a 46.7% likely AI score. With the Writer AI detector, the simple prompt essay gets an 86% likely human score. The complex prompt essay gets a 92% likely human score, and the humanized text gets a 100% likely human score. Using GPTZero, the simple prompt essay gets a 100% likely AI score. The complex prompt essay gets a 100% likely AI score, and the humanized text gets a 40% likely human score. With Reilaa, we get an 86% likely AI score. With the simple prompt essay, an 86% likely AI score with the complex prompt essay, and a 0% likely AI score with the humanized text. Finally, with Ryne's AI report feature, the simple prompt essay gets a 100% likely AI score. The complex prompt essay gets a 27% likely AI score, and the humanized version gets a 0% likely AI score. Now that we've finished all that testing, which AI detector will give students the most similar scores to Turnitin? With the simple prompt essay, Originality Light and Turbo, CopyLeaks, GPTZero, and Ryne's AI report feature provided identical 100% likely AI scores like Turnitin did. Notable mentions are Quillbot, Sapling, and Reilaa, which were the closest. With the complex prompt essay, only Ryne's AI report feature provided the same score as Turnitin's 27%. The next closest were Grammarly, Phrasely, and Quillbot. With the Ryne humanized text, Grammarly, Quillbot, Scribr, Writer, Reilaa, and Ryne's AI report feature provided identical 0% likely AI scores to Turnitin's. For fun, let's create a table that considers the differences in the scores produced by various AI detectors compared to Turnitin. Some scores are not comparable, like a 60% human score compared with a 0% AI score from Turnitin, but where comparisons are possible, we'll note where the scores provided by the AI detectors are higher or lower than Turnitin's and calculate the sum of their differences to see if we can learn anything from this figure. And yes, I know this isn't exactly the greatest way to examine differences, as a score that's much higher and a score that's much lower from an AI detector compared to Turnitin can cancel each other out and be misleading. According to our results, the Ryne AI report feature is the closest to Turnitin's AI detector, as there's no difference between its scores and Turnitin's. Number 2 most similar to Turnitin is Reilaa, which is 26% less accurate. Number 3 most similar to Turnitin is Quillbot, which is 35% more accurate. So I guess if you don't want to ask your lecturer or professor for your Turnitin AI report, you could use Quillbot's AI detector. It's more accurate than Turnitin, and you can only scan 1,200 words at a time, but that might be okay for you to get an idea. Or maybe you want to use Reila's free AI detector. It's a little less accurate on balance than Turnitin, but it might be helpful. However, if you want an accurate estimate of what your Turnitin AI score is likely to be, you'll have to reach for your wallet and sign up for, at a minimum, the Sapphire plan from Ryne. I guess it's true, you really do get what you pay for. And that brings this video to a conclusion. If you think I overlooked an option for determining your Turnitin AI score, or have any thoughts on the video or AI humanizers or AI detection, let me know in the comments. This channel isn't that big, and I respond to every question and request from my subscribers. So if you want a video about something, just let me know. If you made it to the end of this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to grow the channel and help its high quality information reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.